T-fal is the #1 cookware brand in the country. They invented non-stick pans and now have developed the next generation of non-stick cookware that redefines what's possible in your kitchen. Introducing the T-fal HEATMASTER all-in-one square pan that allows you to master heat and create extraordinary delicious meals full of flavor. T-fal's new patented heat mastery technology combines 3 culinary innovations. First, there's T-fal's Sapphire Infused Non-Stick surface. It's T-fal's best non-stick ever. Just watch as this burnt milk peels away with just water, making cleanup easy. Reinforced with sapphires, T-fal's surface is super durable and scratch resistant. Unlike other pans, it'll stay non-stick for years to come. We tested those new non-stick copper pans against T-fal. The results weren't even close. They wore out after about 2,000 cycles of use. But T-fal's surface stayed non-stick 20 times longer. The next innovation is T-fal's patented THERMO-SPOT. It's built into the pan, and the outer ring turns solid red when the pan reaches the perfect temperature to start your cooking. So there's no more guesswork or disappointing results. Next, there's T-fal's multi-layered construction with a stainless steel induction base that guarantees the ultimate in even heat distribution and retention. Just look at the difference compared to a cast iron pan. No more hot or cold spots. You'll cook like the pros with HEATMASTER in a pan that is ultra durable yet still lightweight, with a scratch-resistant surface that will last for years. The T-fal HEATMASTER all-in-one replaces an entire cupboard of cookware. Thanks to the extra deep sides, it's a pot, a pan, a wok, a deep fryer, a rice cooker, a baking dish, and the list goes on. Plus, this is an extra-large family size all-in-one, perfect for making huge portions of one-pot family favorites. You can prepare, cook, and serve, all in the same pan. It's even oven-safe up to 500 degrees. And of course, the HEATMASTER is PFOA-free and dishwasher-safe. Why pay hundreds of dollars for all these appliances and a cupboard full of cookware when you can order the HEATMASTER factory direct for just 3 easy payments of $24.95? And we're just getting started. Order right now to receive 4 premium quality bonus items for free. This stainless steel fry basket and pasta strainer, a top quality stainless steel skimmer, and this steamer and roasting tray. We'll even include a HEATMASTER cookbook featuring recipes specifically crafted for the T-fal HEATMASTER. That's over $50 in free bonus gifts. Better yet, be among the first 200 to order and get free shipping. That's right, we'll ship you the entire cooking system right to your door for free. The HEATMASTER, with its Sapphire Infused Non-Stick surface, is so incredibly durable that it comes with a lifetime guarantee. If it ever scratches or blisters, send it back for a full refund of the purchase price. It truly is the last pan you'll ever need to buy. Order with confidence from T-fal, a name you know and trust. Go online to get the HEATMASTER all-in-one pan with tempered glass lid, the multi-use fry basket and pasta strainer, the easy steamer and roasting tray, the stainless steel skimmer, and the HEATMASTER cookbook. Altogether a $200 value. Yours for only 3 payments of $24.95 plus free shipping. Remember, this is a special TV offer and quantities are limited, so please don't wait. You'll bring the joy back to cooking with the T-fal HEATMASTER, but you must place your order now.